Hello students, I will continue with the chapter rock and the soil. In the last video I have explained about how the soils are formed from the rock itself. So in this video I will start with the weathering. So what is weathering? Weathering is actually the process by which the surface rock disintegrates and decomposes by different natural elements like heat, river, wind, etc. So what is weathering? The weathering is actually a process by which the rock actually decomposes. Means, for example, if this is a piece of the rock, so when this rock is exposed to this prolonged sunlight, the heat of the sunlight is being the rock is receiving the heat of the sunlight. So as a result of that, with time there will be small cracks are going to develop in the rocks like this, and with time the these cracks are going to get more deepened down. So after some point of the time, this total rock will break into small tiny pieces like this. Okay, so this is what weathering means. The weathered materials are not transported they remain in the same place. Means after weathering, when the rock is getting broken down into smaller tiny pieces, these pieces remain in the place where the rock was originally there. Okay, so this is what weathering means. If this rock get transported from one place to another by these natural agents, then we would have called the same process as the erosion. So basically we have two types of the weathering. One is a physical weathering and another one is the chemical weathering. So what is this physical weathering? When due to heat and pressure some changes occurs into the rock and the rock get broken down into smaller pieces, we call it as the physical weathering or by chemical weathering. Physical weathering or mechanical weathering. Next is that we have the chemical weathering. The chemical weathering means when the rock get broken down due to some chemical alteration that take place inside the rock. We call it as the chemical weathering. So this chemical weathering can take place because of by water or by the presence of oxygen too. Type of soil. So we have learned how the soils are formed. Now we are going to see the types of the soil. So according to the Geological Survey of India, six major types of soils are found or are traced or are present in India. So what are those? Those are red soil, laterite soil, then we have the black soil, alluvial soil, mountain soil, and the last one is the peaty and the marshy soil. So these are the six major types of the soils that are found in India. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the question in the next video. Thank you everyone.